Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to add a Binance Passkey. Passkeys are a modern, secure way to log into your Binance account, offering a significant upgrade over traditional passwords. They leverage biometric authentication, like your fingerprint or face scan, to provide a seamless and highly protected login experience. This method helps protect your account from phishing and other common online threats, making your digital assets safer. Before you begin, make sure your Binance mobile application is fully updated to its most recent version. Also, confirm that your device supports Passkey technology, which typically involves biometric features like Face ID or Touch ID. It's also crucial that your Binance account has completed identity verification. These steps ensure a smooth and successful Passkey setup process, allowing you to take full advantage of this security feature. To add your Passkey, open the Binance app and go to your account settings. Locate the Security section and then select the Passkey option. Follow the clear, on-screen instructions provided by Binance to initiate the creation of your new Passkey. You will then be prompted to use your device's biometric authentication, such as a fingerprint or face scan, to securely confirm and finalize the addition of your Passkey. Once your Passkey is set up, logging into Binance becomes incredibly simple and secure. Just choose the Passkey option at login and use your device's biometric authentication. You can easily manage or remove any existing Passkeys directly from the security settings within your Binance account. For added convenience and backup, consider adding Passkeys on multiple trusted devices, ensuring you always have secure access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.